Hi guys, how you doing? How are you doing? So we're going to do some forecasting together today. Hi guys, how you doing? We're going to do some forecasting together today. So let me know if you got any pair that you'd like me to actually forecast. Right. So let me know if you got any pair in mind that you'd want me to look at. Feel free to request that. Okay. So let's do that. Can you guys confirm if you're able to hear me and see me? Are you able to see me, guys? Can you see me? Can somebody say something? Okay, I think we're just going to go ahead and start our stream. So basically I'm going to look at all these pairs right here. So let's start with the first one. I'm looking for my setups, so let me see if I'm going to find any. So the first thing I do is go to the higher time frame and zoom out. So this is going to give me an idea of where the market might be headed to. Okay, so for me, this one, you can see that this one has been putting up bullish structure. You can see that it's been going to the upside right here since August. So we've seen this going to the upside. That's AUD JPY right here. You've seen it push to the upside. So do you have any potential to buy right here? Let me go to the lower time frame. So I'm looking for buying opportunities on this particular pair. Yeah, so you can see that last week I was actually looking for it to come to this area, and it did just tap into that zone and then push to the upside. So let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what we are looking at right there. It's right there. Let's see. Okay, interesting. So let's drop even further to the lower time frame. Let's see what is happening. Okay, so let's zoom in on this level right here. Yeah, so I would refine my zone to this zone right here. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see how it's looking there. Not bad. So not really clear. The fact that this area, this week kind of touched my zone, kind of invalidates my setups right here. But otherwise, I'd have liked it to come all the way to this, like that. This would have been my idea, but I'm not going to wait for this because there's a lower chances of it actually working out, because it was tapped into right here. So if this one might not hold, then the next one will be this level right here. So because of that, I will not go ahead and analyze it further. So let's go to the next one. The next one is AUD USD. Let's zoom out as always. So zoom out. What is the story here? So we can see that from this level here, we've been seeing the market really going down. So let's zoom out further. You can see that for some time we saw the market going down, and then we saw this upward trajectory right here, and now we're seeing this downward move to the downside right here. So what are we going to think right here? What is going to happen here? So I'm looking at the most recent structures that this market can respect. Not really clear. The recent one is this week here, and it's a little bit too far away from here. So because of that, I won't even waste my time. So I'll move on to the next one, which gives me some chance of it like working out. So you can see from here, this one has been really pushing to the downside. It's been going to the downside for a long time. So it means that if I had to get involved in this particular trade, I'd have to wait for it to pull back into this area, like this zone. Let me just show you right now. I'll have to wait for it to pull back into this area right here. Yeah, this is where I would want it to come back to, but again, it's too far away. That's a problem. So for me to get involved, I would like to see this price going back all the way so that we can continue with the trend. Okay, so this is how it is. So for now, not valid, because if market came here, then this would make it a valid trade, because we have a break of structure right here, we have a predominant downtrend, we have a rather base drop there, then this would really make sense to actually sell from here like that. So stop loss of about how many pips? Stop loss of about 4 pips, and my target I would target this low right here. So this would be a nice 1 to 10 risk reward ratio, but only if the market comes to that level right there. But this is not going to happen anytime soon, so I'm not going to further analyze this. We go to the next one. The next one is CAD JPY. As always, we go to the higher time frame. What is the story on the higher time frame right here? So you can see that I'd analyze this one, and it kind of played out. So let's delete this and zoom out all the way. What is the story? The story is bullish. You can see that the story right here is bullish. We see the market going to the upside and everything. Yeah, we're seeing the market going to the upside. Crazy. So guys, remember, you can also request me to look at the certain pair that you think you'd like me to look at. Just let me know so that I can check it out for you and let you know what I think about it. Right now it's the same scenario with AUD JPY. Nothing special right here. Of course, I know my bias is bullish, but right now there's no proper structure that I'd look for right here. So without wasting much of your time, I just go to the next one. Let's go to the higher time frame. This is Euro AUD. What is Euro AUD? What is Euro AUD doing? Let's go even to the 10 minutes, daily time frame. Daily time frame. What is the daily time frame doing? Let's zoom out. Okay. So from here, we've seen the market going to the upside. Again, we saw this push to the downside right here. So if we zoom out even further, what can we see? It's not really clear. We had this predominant uptrend, but now we've seen this market going to the downside. Again, we're seeing this market to the upside right here. Not very clear. And yeah, so let's see. And where are we right now? We are here. Do we have any structure that the market can respect? Not clear. Guys, the perfect setups will jump at you. Like, you see it and you know that this is a good setup. So there's nothing for me there. So this is the process I go through on a daily basis in order for me to find those setups that you see me posting or making videos about. This is the exact same process I go through on a daily basis. And the good part about it is that I actually love this. I actually enjoy it. So it's no hassle for me. So from here you can see that Euro GBP is to the downside. You can see right here, because the market has been putting up lower lows and lower highs like that. So it means that I would only be interested in selling. However, like the previous one, there's no near zone that I would want to sell from. From the daily, we've seen that this is going to the downside, so it makes no sense for me to start looking for buying opportunities right here, unless there's something that shows that there's some weakness in the market. For me, I'm not able to see anything like that right now. Okay. Yeah. So let's see. So the market has been trying to put up lower lows and lower highs. So this is lower low, lower high, lower low, then it fails to break this high, which means that the market is going to the upside, to the downside, and then this low fails to break this low, which is now interesting. So now you can do your multiple time frame analysis. Now you see what is happening right here. I've seen something interesting happening. Let me show you. So you guys, multiple time frames analysis is very, very, very important. Like very, very, very important. You need to be able to read the market. So overall trend, we can all agree that the market is going to the downside, right? Great. We can see that the market is going to the downside. Now let's zoom in on that. Okay, what can we see? So we see the market successfully putting up lower lows and lower highs. However, this low was not broken. This low wasn't broken right here. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. This low wasn't broken, and it was supposed to have been broken by this low right here. When the market formed this low, it went and failed to break this high, which means that the market is going to the downside. And then what it did do, it came just here and then it went down, but failed to break this low by creating this low right here. So what does it tell you? It tells you that there's some potential change of what? Change of market structure, right? So you can clearly see that. You can clearly see that. So it means that there's some shift in the market of structure right now. So what do? I might start looking for buying opportunity because I know that there is some shift right here. So you can see that now after this, you see the market now is trying to break structure. So the market broke this structure, structure broken, failed to break this low, then went ahead and broke this structure here. So broke this structure here, you can see, and then the market went down, then it came to this level right here. So let's go even further to the lower time frame. What am I looking at right now? So it's really, really tricky right here. So let's even drop even further. What can you see? Interesting. So let me delete all this, then I show you where I would like the market to come to if I'm going to get involved. So if I'm going to get involved, I want the market to come here. That's the only time I'm going to get involved. That's the only time I'm going to get involved. Are you guys able to hear me? Are you able to hear me and appreciate what I'm saying here? Please comment in the comment section if you're able to hear me. Let me know in the comment section if you're able to get me, guys. You can be speaking on your own, huh? You can just be talking and you're just alone. So this is what I would want to happen on this pair. Then I would target the highs right here. Okay, let me see. We move this here like that. So this looks like 6 pips stops. So the target, of course, if the market shifts, it means that we would go to the upside, like we would go to the very highs. So it means that you would target areas like this area here, or even that area right there. If the market changes direction, then someone would actually look at those areas right there. If the market actually decides to reverse from there, then it'll be interesting to see what happens. So for me, this would be some level of liquidity which needs to be taken out like that. So this will be a liquidity area, liquidity zone right here. So let me just analyze it for you guys. I show you how I do it. Okay, like that, like that. So let's see, let's go to the lower time frame even further. Let's see if we can come up with even a smaller stop loss. Let's zoom out, let's zoom in here. Let's see what is happening here. Do we have an order block? Yeah, so you see, by simply just going all the way down, you can now realize that you have an order block right there. So Simple, just multiple time frame analysis, guys. Just multiple time frame analysis. So you can see that even our stop loss has been reduced now, right? So you can see that it's actually even low. The stop loss is very small now. So let's see. Okay, let's see. See, our stop loss is like 2 pips and our target is like 120 pips, which is crazy. So for this, what we can do is that we can actually just target this high right here. So let's go and reduce that. Let's reduce this to say, okay, we target this high right here. Let's target that high right there, like that. Yeah, something like this. So we just enlarge this to the downside, to the right side right here. So let's just now go ahead and do this. So someone's asking, what platform am I using? I'm just using Facebook, bro. Just streaming direct from Facebook. So this is a drop based rally. This is this is a lower low. This is a lower low. This is QML here. This is QML. Then we have a break of structure right here. Where are you watching from, bro? Where are you watching from? So this is what I'm looking at right now, and then so what I'm anticipating is market coming to break this structure like that to the upside. So basically that's my anticipation on this pair right here. Okay, from Ghana. Nice. How is Ghana? How is it going there? Nice. The setup looks really amazing. I like it. This is the kind of setup that I would take. So let's see how the market is going to open today, later on today. Let's see how it's going to work out. Otherwise, this looks nice. Looking forward to see. So if this doesn't work out, then I might go to the next one. But otherwise, this is how it is. So this is how I do my analysis, and I'm done with this particular pair. Okay, so we go to the next one. We go to Euro JPY. Did you guys have any questions on that one? Do you guys have any questions? So I think all the JPY pairs are moving to the upside. Yeah, I can see that they are going to the upside, and unfortunately there's no proper area that you can actually buy from. For me personally, I'm not seeing any area that I'm looking to buy from. So because of that, I don't want to waste my time. Okay, so you're struggling to make consistency, to be consistent in the market. Yeah, so consistency, you need to have a strategy in place, guy. You need to have a strategy in place that you know works, and all you have to be doing is just rinse, repeat, guys. Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next one. Find a strategy that you're comfortable with, learn the strategy, and then you have just to keep on executing. That's all. Okay, what's happening on Euro USD? Let's see. So Euro USD is interesting right now. So we're seeing it going to the upside right here, and now we're seeing it dropping down here. Interesting. But much of the move has been going to the downside right there. So let's go to the 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame. What are we seeing here? No specific area. Man, the market is crazy these days. I don't see any setup right there. GBP AUD, no setup right here. This was a loss. So let's delete this. Let's zoom out. Simple. It's basically the same thing that I do on a daily basis. So you see, I'm on GBP AUD right now. It's pushing aggressively to the upside, and there's no sign of me. There's no place for me that I can actually buy this from, because it has already pushed to the upside, unless it pulls back. But I mean, the levels that it has to pull back from, that's crazy. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. You see, there's no proper area to actually buy this from. Let's go to GBP AUD. Let's go to GBP AUD. I mean, GBP is JPY right here. Same story for GJ. We have the market pushing to the upside, and no nice area to actually buy from. Man, you see, nothing really, nothing to actually buy from, nowhere to buy from. So I don't like wasting my time, guys. I don't like wasting my time. So I just go. The setup that wants me, it will show itself simple without any struggle. Just by looking at it, you see that, oh, there's a nice setup there. So GBP USD is has been going to the upside. Now we've seen it going down to the downside, right? Just like Euro USD, we are seeing the same scenario right here. We're seeing the same scenario right here. I'd like to see significant areas where I could buy from, but again, this zone here has already been touched. You can see that this zone is already here, so it means that the market is likely going to take out that one there, and you've seen it has been pushing all the way to the downside. So not really appreciating anything there. Otherwise, this would have been a nice zone if it wasn't touched. This zone right here, if this zone wasn't touched, it would have been a nice zone to look for buys from. This level. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what is happening on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, guys, where are you guys watching from? Well, I'm just seeing one person commenting. How about you other guys? Where are you watching from? I'm not a fan of this. Once the market closes like this, it's very, most of the time the market just, when it opens, it just take out this high, this low right there. So let's just try and see if we can find a good setup. So these pairs are going to the downside. Euro GBP, NZD USD, it's crazy. Let's go to USD card. South Africa in the building. Make some noise for South Africa. How you guys doing? Muhari Wiseman, how you doing, man? Thank you so much. Thank you. Mr. Wiseman, how you doing, brother? Mr. Wiseman, how you doing, brother? Mr. Wiseman, how you doing, man? Thank you so much. Thank you. 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 Mr. Wiseman, how you doing, brother? So USD card is also pushing to the upside very, very aggressively. And yeah, let's zoom out. You can see that it's very clear that this has been going to the upside for a long time. So higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs right there. However, let's see if we can see something right there. So high, high, higher, low, high, higher, high. Then this breaks this now. So this is interesting for me now. So the question is, will this level hold? This level right here, will it hold? This is the level I'm looking at right now. This is where the market is headed. That's where the market is headed, right there. So two things will happen. It's either the market is going to take out this high or it won't. So one thing I love about this high is that it caused a break of structure right here. So there's a significant break of structure right here. Very important. So that's a shift of market structure. Shift of market structure or change of market structure, and we broke that low right there. So for me, this is interesting. Now I can analyze this. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Let's go even further to the 2-hour time frame. Man, it's too far away, guys. No, it's too far away. It's too far away. If it was near, yeah, it would have made sense, but where it is now, damn, too long. It would take a lot of time. This is for swing traders. This is for swing traders or position traders. Because you see, did you see how long it took for it to just go there? It took a lot of time, guys, a lot of time. So because of that, I would not proceed to actually analyze this. Let me just show you what I would have wanted to do. So what I would want to do is just wait for it to come there and then do a look for potential sales from there. I would watch that. I would watch that zone really, really carefully, because the market might decide to actually do a U-turn from there. But I mean, we're just talking, right? We just talking. So this is what I would expect on this pair. But I know it's going to take time. It's going to take a lot of time. Yeah, so this is too, I mean, this took a lot. Let me show you how long this took, right? Just for the market to move from here to here, it took about 31 days, guys. 31 days, more than a month. I'm not ready to just wait for that. So going to go to the next one. USD Swiss ish, guys. This is a lot. It's more tiring that when you're actually explaining and talking and all that. It gets tiresome. Same scenario as well. USD Swiss, we're seeing it pushing to the upside now, meaning I would be interested to look for buying opportunities, but now look at this. It's just choppiness. The market has just been chopping around, no proper structures to actually buy from. The market has been crazy of late, guys. The market has been crazy. Wow. We've analyzed a lot of pairs and only one setup so far. Damn. That's how crazy the market is right now. See? No proper area to actually buy from, because you can see that this has been going to the upside. So I'm looking for specific areas to buy from, not just any random thing. AUD card. Let me see what is happening on AUD card. Okay, what's happening? What's happening? You guys, where you watching from? I see 8 people watching right now. Where you guys watching from? Where you guys watching from? Where you guys watching from? Where are you guys watching from? So we've got Ghana, we've got South Africa. Which other country is on board right now? Okay, zoom out. What is happening there? We see bullish structure, meaning you're looking for buying opportunities. Simple, right? Now let's come here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's see what is happening here. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour time frame, I see something interesting. Something is interesting, guys. Something is interesting right here. So at this level right here, I'm seeing something interesting. So remember, we're looking for bullish order blocks. So I'm seeing something here. Let me go to the lower time frame and find out what is happening there. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing here, guys. I like. So let's see if we can go further. We find our order block. So let's zoom in right here. Right here. You see what I'm seeing? Do you see what I'm seeing? So a bullish order block is the last bearish candle before the bullish move right here. So that's our order block there. We go back to the 15 minutes time frame. Then you just do this. We zoom out. You see? Now do you see what I'm talking about? Okay, there. So what do we have here? Let me show you what we have here. So we have this low and this low. If you can actually extend it to the right side here. So you can see that now we had this low and this low. And also the market kind of just gave us another low right here and then took it out. So that's a really nice to note there. And our previous low has been taken out. This is our previous low, and you can see that it has been taken out. Right? So simple. Let's do the labeling. Guys, the good setups are just going to jump out on your face. They're just going to say, hey, I'm here. There's no need for you to stress or anything. Nah. If a setup is there, it's there. If it's not there, it's not there, my friend. It's not there. There's no need for you to force it. Okay, so we have our lower low there. Then we have our drop based rally here. And then let's go. So this is where I plan to enter from, and then targets. I like to target this high right there. Let me just do this. Yeah, I would like to target these highs right here. So about 89, about 90 pips there. Yeah, about 90 pips precisely. So let's adjust our stop loss. So let's see how much is our stop loss. So our stop loss is about 5 pips only. Our stop loss is just like 5 pips. So let's do this. This looks nice, guys. It meets all my criterias. So it's game on. Game on, guys. Game on. Yeah. This is about right, guys. This is about right. You see the trouble I have to go through, guys, just for me to just come up with forecast for you guys. It's a lot of work, and the least that you can do is at least watch them, like, comment, share. It keeps us motivated. Otherwise, it ain't easy, my guy. It ain't easy. So that's how it is. So we have a low here. We have another low here, and another one here. Beautiful. So my anticipation is that the market is going to come here and potentially go back there. So do you see what we did here? We did what we call a multiple time frame analysis of AUD card, and so far it looks amazing, guys. It looks good, right? So this is our second forecast of the day for next week, like that. So we have Euro GBP and we have AUD cards. Let's go to the next. Do you guys have any questions on that? Do you have any questions on that? Whew. We zoom out as always. We see where the market is going. So here we're looking for buying opportunities. But the question is, are there any bullish POIs that we can look at right now? No, because the market is just way too far there. So only if it came back here or here, that's the only time I'll be interested. Okay, there's a Euro card. Baby, King Wana. Okay. Yeah, so we're here. We zoom out. What am I looking for? So Mr. Wiseman is saying I should analyze gold in Nasdaq. Let me see. I'll see if we can do that. So here, nothing for me here. I can't wait to be done. I feel like I've been on here for a long time. I'm waiting with a few pairs to look at. So guys, remember, it's quality over quantity, guys. Quality over quantity. Get few pairs that you're going to see. I mean, analyze. It's mandatory for me to go through all these pairs because I don't know where I'm going to have my setup. So I have to look for my setup everywhere. So I have to do this. So you can see that overall trend is to the upside. So no need of me selling here unless there are signs. Okay, so are there any signs of the market slowing down? Not really, because we've seen this market now push it to the upside. However, it'll be interesting to see how the market reacts from this level. But this hasn't really caused much of significant break of structure, so it's not really significant. Or is it? Not really. So this low here has been taken out. Yes, it has. Nah, I'm not liking this. But it'll be nice to note. I'll keep an eye, but I won't waste my time analyzing it. So GBP Swiss, this one, nah. This one, same thing. There's nothing happening for me here. Euro Swiss, what is happening here? We're seeing it going to the downside, so it means that we'll have to be looking for selling opportunities. The market is dry. The market is so dry, guys, so dry. I'm really struggling to find my setups. Okay. Let's delete this. What is happening? Let's go to the daily. So we've been progressively going to the upside, slowly. So right here would have to look for buying opportunities. I've seen something there. I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you. So there's something here. The problem, there's only one problem. The market is already near to that area, so ish. Kiwutata. So we've seen the market very near. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So what I'm doing on the 5 minutes time frame is trying to find and predefine my order block, guys. You guys don't want to talk. You guys are just watching and not saying anything. What's up with you guys? What's up, guys? Say something. So this is what I'm seeing on NZD card. Do you see that? So this broke this right here, very significant. So if it have to get involved, it has to be here. So I can even target that high right there. It's just 120 pips. It's more, about 130, 140 pips actually. So something like this, and my stop loss is going to be about 4.2 pips. Yeah. Something like that. Did you see what I always tell you guys? Good setups, you don't have to look for them. They'll just jump right at you. So this is lower low. This is QML. So there's something happening here. We're seeing, so you can connect this. So look at this. Simple as that. For now, it's just a waiting game. Four pip stop loss, one 140 pips target. In terms of risk reward ratio, this is big, guys. This is a 1 to 33 risk reward ratio. It's big. My work here is done, guys. My work here is done. Like, you won't struggle if you find the right setup. You won't even struggle, guy. You won't struggle because it'll just jump right back at you and just show you like, hey, I'm here. So this is my anticipation, guys. This is what I'm anticipating. Yeah, like that. So we have this setup right there on NZD card. Oh, so we have AUD card and NZD card all looking for buys. Nice. I know Swiss JPY is same thing. Yeah, exactly. So same story for the JPY pairs. Same story. Don't have places to actually buy from. It's crazy. So if I were you, I'd avoid trying to short these pairs for now. Ish, guys, I'm tired. I'm tired. Okay, so card Swiss, nothing special. Same thing with AUD card, AUD NZD, and NZD Swiss. I'm sure it's the same story with other Swiss pairs. So I'm going now to look at what my friend Mr. Wiseman suggested we look at. So let's look at Goldy Day. We look at gold. We look at gold, XAU USD. So XAU USD. So we look at gold. So let's start from the daily time frame. Already you can see that gold is at its highest. It's at the highest height it has ever been. This is where gold is at. So even if you go to a one month time frame, this is the highest gold has ever been. So very important to note. So let's go ahead and just put that there as a reminder that this is the first time gold is reaching that area. So we are here. This is the place here. Okay, let me just put this other one here. So this is the first time gold has ever been to this area. So it's an uncharted territory for gold. So, and what I'm liking here is that we broke structure not only once but twice. So this structure was broken, and also this structure was broken. Okay, great. So we have a higher high here, the highest high here. Interesting. And then we have a break of structure here and here. Do you guys see where I'm going? Do you guys see where I'm going? Okay. Nice. So we have to delete this and now mark this as our what? Our POI. Of course, we have to go to the lower time frame and find that order block that caused this change of character and break of structure, right? So I know God is at the highest right now, so two things can happen: either it's going to continue to go to the upside or it's going to start giving us a retracement. So we had a retracement, but we might see God giving us some more retracement. But you know what? There's no way to know. So the only way to know is to get involved, right? So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. What can you see? What did you see when you're looking at me? Gold. Okay, so you can see that we can now refine it to that level right there, that area there. So by doing that, we're even reducing our stop loss levels. So if I'm going to enter this trade, here is where I'm going to put my stop loss, and here is where I'm going to put my target. So it looks interesting. Thanks, Mr. Wiseman, for suggesting gold. So my target will be this low here, right? Remember, these are forecasts. These are not signals, guys. These are forecasts. These are ideas, trading ideas of the market. If the market does this, then I'm going to execute. If it doesn't, then I won't. Simple as that. So remember, this is gold, guys. So gold comes with bigger stop loss. So my stop loss here is about 20 pips. It's about 20 pips. 20 pips stop loss, and my target is 470 pips. That's one thing about gold. So like that. So now let's finish the labeling. So this is a drop. This is Rade best drop. That's Rade best drop here. So I want to see the market giving me some sort of liquidity as it comes here, as the market opens, as the Asian session is formed. I want to see some sort of liquidity being formed there, somewhere here. Okay, so this is going to be our liquidity area. Like that, and then we'll anticipate the market coming all the way here and then dropping. Yeah, this looks nice, guys. I can't lie. This looks really amazing. This is amazing. So what you do is, so for me, what I'm going to do right now is, I'm just going to go ahead and set an alert here. I like to trade gold most of the time, so I'll just set an alert here, so that once the market comes to that level, I'll be notified. So whether the market is going to go to the upside or it's going to reverse, then I'll be able to send the signal to our private community to actually enter these trades right here. Otherwise, this looks really nice. So it's a 22 risk reward ratio trade, 20 pips stop loss and 470 pips target. Beautiful. Okay, so let me add this to my watch list. Let me add this to my watch list. Okay, so gold XAU So we add it to our watch list. Added. So the next one is Nasdaq. Any questions, guys? Any more questions? Any other questions? So Nasdaq is the last one I'm going to analyze. I'm tired. I'm tired. It's not easy, guys. It ain't easy, man. It ain't easy. What time is it even? So I've been on here for almost an hour, or close to an hour, I think. I must think so. So Nasdaq 100, Mr. Nasdaq 100, what are you doing? So we can see that Nas has been going to the upside as well for a very long time. We've seen it been going to the upside for quite a while. So, important points to note. This is the highest high, and now we are here. Let's go to the, and we see that the market is bullish. Okay. So the market is bullish. It means that we're supposed to be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, now let's continue to scroll. You see, the lowest low so far in the market is this here. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. That's a problem, you see, meaning it has to come, if we are to buy, it has to come all the way down here for me to be involved. All the way down here. Yeah, I don't like this. So for me, my idea would be waiting for this index to come all the way down here so that we can look for buying opportunities to the upside. Yep, that would be my idea looking at what is happening right now. And if you ask me, that's looks very far. It looks very far. Yeah, but I mean, that's the only time I would want to get involved on Nasdaq, if it came all the way down to this area. Yeah, so I hope you are happy, Mr. Wiseman. I hope you are happy with that. This is what I would want to expect on these pairs right now. So far, we've managed to come up with 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've come up with 4 forecasts for this upcoming week. So what I do is that I'll put them in front here. So this is what I'm going to focus on right here. So there's NZD card, we have gold, we have Euro, GBP, we have AUD card. Nice. And then now let's look at how many trades that did I have to go through just for me to find these four trades. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 plus Nasdaq. So imagine you have to go through over 32 pairs only to come up with 4 trades idea. That's what you have to be doing. It's not about taking every trade, it's about looking for your setups in every trade idea. Imagine you have to go through over 32 pairs only to come up you'd have to go through all that screen and come up with your watch list. That's how you make your watch list, and that's how I do it on a daily basis. All right. So you guys, I really hope you found some value. Thank you guys. Thank you, Mr. Wiseman, for your questions. Yeah. Then for Morena, we already did the USD JPY trade forecast on that one. Check it out. Thank you, Mr. Abraham Adumi Adami Adamo, Mr. Abraham Adamo. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And yeah, hope we can do this again next week. Let me know if we should be able to do this next week again. Let me know in the comment section if you found value. Thank you for sticking with me through this forecast and everything. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Until next time, goodbye. Damn, we've been up like an hour. No wonder I'm tired. All right, you guys, all the best next week. And remember, if you'd like to actually join us in our M&F Mastery community, either for mentorship or for signals, text me via Telegram or via Facebook. Inbox me via Facebook for you to actually join if you are interested in that. All right, you guys, until next time, goodbye.